I'm proud to show you a new generator. It looks the same as our old generator, our old 10K, but actually I've changed the magnetic fields inside, I've changed the coils, and it's now what looks like a 10K is now a 15K. And I'm able to show that to you visually and using my standard test setup. Now, if you remember on the 10 kW efficiency test, we showed this setup. This is the 12 volt power supply. This is the Chinese motor that makes noise. This is the Himmelstein torque meter that measures the torque. This is the three-phase drive that drives this motor. This is the counter that picks up the RPM. Now the generator looks the same, but internally it's totally different. Now what I've done is I've set the system up just like I did with the other one. The only difference is I left the data from the old one still here. Now you can see if you look at 655, that's line 5, that was the old one. Now at 655 it produced 71.5 volts. Now down here on line 12 is this one, 655, it produced 112 volts and 744 watts. Up here it produced 300 watts. Now I'm going to run it so that you can see it. But this generator is totally different internally. It also, for the sake of being very clear, it has the ceramic bearing options with it. Now what we're going to do is, for the next 3 or 4 days, I will sell this 15 kW for the price of the 10 kW. But I'm going to run it right now so you can see it live to see what it does. All I have to do is press this button right here and it will speed up the motor. See this? It's up to 652. The voltage is 112.9. Now the torque is 8.9, excuse me. So where the other one was producing 71.5 volts at 655, this one's producing 112. That shows you the difference. It's completely silent. You can't hear anything. The only thing you hear is a Chinese motor. There's no vibration, there's no nothing. This thing is producing 700 watts right now with a 17 ohm load. Now I can raise it, and I think I will. I'll raise it to the next level, which was 934, and we'll run it up to 934. All right, we're at 921. You see the voltage? It's 154. Now in this one, if you look at line 6, it's 934, and the voltage is only 98.9. Now we'll put this information into the spreadsheet. It's 632. The torque is 11.7. The voltage, again, is 154.1. I've got to, this is wrong. It is 9 32, not 632. You see this? We're producing 1,300. Right now we're producing 1,396 watts. Last time we produced 575 watts. This is the advantage of my new design. Compared to the current 10K, this is the new 15K. It's actually probably a lot higher than that. But there you are, proof positive that it works.